At midnight, on some deserted streets, an old glowing library suddenly appears. The door is open. Inside are endless shelves of books, but every book is about your life.
There is only one deadly rule. Never read the book about your future after today. Those who broke the rule, their lives were never the same. Some went insane.
The library knows everything about you. It shows you the life you could have had.
And the terrible things that might